Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Time for a potato bake here on the channel, and I am so stoked for this recipe because it is filled with oven baked potatoes, ham, feta cheese, and cream cheese. It is so good, so let's get started. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. In a bag I have some new potatoes I've just rinsed and cut in half or in small bits. It depends on the size of your potatoes. Add in a lot of oil, pepper and salt, and then give the bag a good shake until the potatoes are all covered in salt, pepper and oil. Add them to a baking sheet and bake the potatoes in the oven for 35 minutes. In a bowl I already have some eggs, in with some sour cream, cream cheese, salt and pepper, and whisk it well together. The potatoes are done. I just added into a baking dish, and then I'm just going to add on some shredded ham, feta cheese, cut spring onions, and I know my baking dish is a bit small, but just try and mix it well together. Then pour over my egg mix. And top it off with some Parmesan cheese. This bad boy is ready to get into the oven for around 30 minutes, and after that it is done. But I would recommend you guys to wait for around 20 minutes before you cut it and serve it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the recipe for this delicious potato bake. If you want to give it a go, well, all ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!